Mzansi Riders.
At Mzansi Riders, we aim to bring South Africa's riding community together across race, culture and background. From social rides and rallies to local racing heroes, bike stories and industry insight, we celebrate motorcycling in Mzansi way, family-friendly, community-driven, charitable at heart. Mzansi Riders, diversity through Ubuntu Sizonke.
Bafowethu la siza nento eshisayo eMzansi Riders. Sonilethela konke bafowethu ama-social rides, rallies, local racing heroes, bike stories, industrial insight, and then siletha konke bafowethu, celebrate i-biking and siletha ubumnandi lana, siletha nento ezoba very exciting. Ngicela ukuthi nisibukele week in week out, sonilethela yonke into ezokwenzeka neyenzekile over the weekends. Ngiyabonga.
Maak nie saak wat se ras, kleur of geur jy is nie. Mzansi Riders is net vir jou. Ons wil rallies, day-jolls, sosiale rides, charity drives en alles met julle deel. Ons gaan ook met interessante mense gesels, motorfietsse bespreek en alles wat daarmee gepaard gaan. So moet dit nie misloop nie en volg ons op sosiale media.